we're back here with a new recipe. I'm so excited about this recipe today because I'm so excited to eat it. So this recipe actually is one of my favorite meals. My sister and I used to love when Mama made us this. It's a very simple meal, but it's comfort food at its best. It's just like flavors and anyway. So it's Saaneyet Khodra with a side of biryani. Simple. I'm gonna be using a clay pot. Let's get the party started. Alrighty, so I'm here. I'm just sauteing some garlic and onions real quick with some olive oil, and then I am going to add the spices, just some cumin and cinnamon. Alright, and chili. I'm gonna add some chili. This is optional, of course. Okay, and I'm just gonna saute everything together until they're fragrant. So now I'm gonna add some fresh tomato. And I'm gonna add some tomato paste. And mix everything together. Let them come to a boil. And just like let them sit and like really take in all the spices. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna mix all the veggies together, add the spices and the olive oil, and mix. Put it in the clay pot, add the tomato sauce, and then pop it in the oven. That's it.